Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, it will be a product review for something that everyone must have if you have a car. This is in my opinion. We're talking about dash camera guys. Okay, nowadays accidents happen so easy, people do not pay attention, texting, driving, all that stuff. So having a dash camera, you can always prove that it was somebody else's fault or your fault. So for your for your safety guys, I'll recommend having one of those. And today's video will be sponsored by ZH. They send us that dash camera that is something that I've been looking for a long time, because it comes with reverse camera as well. Okay, it's not just a front camera, it's a dual lens camera. Okay, you can see S3 stealth dual lens car camera. So this is the main body right here. That's what it looks like with the screen. It's small, it's not bulky, it's very light. This is the rear camera. Okay, and the cool thing about this one is you can just mount it on the rear window. Okay, on your rear window, and you don't even have to worry about putting wires outside, mounting it on the license plate like some of the other ones. So this one is more on the easy side of installing. So that's what we'll be doing today. We'll review it, we'll install it, show you how we will do it, and we'll see the quality of the product at the end of the video. So it actually comes with a 16 GB SD card right here, so you don't even have to worry about buying one. So far every camera that we received in the past, we had to purchase our own SD card. Comes with a dual USB output as well. One will be used for the camera, and the other one will be just for you. Like, let's say you want to charge your phone or something like that. So let's go ahead, install it, and put it to the test. Okay, the first thing we'll need to get the mount for the windshield. This is for the main body camera. So what we have to do, on those, you have to peel, the film right here. You peel it all the way and you stick it on your windshield where you want your camera placed. So I forgot to mention, as you know, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, they like to use that rubberized coating for their plastic on the interior of the car that has that luxury feel. Okay, that's what this one feels like. So the first impression is like super good. So this is the SD card now. We're going to place it in now before we start mounting things. So that way it will be easier. Okay, and the camera has an amazing feature. It's easy to remove, so if you're afraid that somebody is going to steal it to you, we'll show you how you can remove that thing in just less than 2 seconds. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So you can see now, you need to align that part with this one here and turn 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, lock it in place, and now we'll be able to install it on the windshield. So we're in the BMW here now, and we're going to find a place for it behind the main mirror right here, and place it over there. Now let me show you the cool feature about this thing. You can actually remove it in a few seconds. Okay, all we have to do, slide it to the right if you want to disconnect it, so you make sure that somebody doesn't steal it from you, and slide it back over to be ready. So now we're going to plug in our wire. This is the 12-volt wire that comes from the charger, and we are going to put it up there, in the roof liner. Okay, let me turn the light up a little bit so you can see perfect. They even gave us a special panel, plastic removal tool, that we can gently pry some of the plastic pieces up and put the cable underneath it. Now if you have side airbags, you have to always consult with your manual before you do anything like that. Like, we have the airbag there, but we know the position of ours. Okay, and we're just going to put the cable underneath the cover here and run it under the door seal all the way down and bring it to here. So that's what we'll be doing now, and we'll show you in just a minute what it looks like. Okay, from that point on it will be super easy. And it will be hidden cable, check it out, so you cannot even notice that the cable will be there. Okay, so we just brought that end here. It went all the way behind the dashboard, all the way to here, and we can just plug it in. So now we need to get the cable that will go all the way to the reverse camera. This is one very long cable, so we'll just get one end, and this one will be the one that will start. Okay, one side will start from the camera, and we'll run it all the way to the back, to the trunk, so we can install the other one. So we'll be doing the same thing. Okay, we'll start right there. So we'll pretty much hide the wires the same way we did this one. So again, if you have side airbags, you have to be extremely careful how we do that, not to activate one of the airbags. They can seriously hurt you, kill you. So be careful, and you have to make sure that the wire is not in the way of the airbag. If you have side airbags in the roof, you will recommend to run the wire down and all the way to the back again. So we'll run ours through the top here, all the way to the trunk. We'll just keep doing that, and we'll show you what it looks like towards the end. So you can see now this cable, you can hide it somewhere on the side cover or something like that, depending on where you want to. Every car will be different. We have the camera installed here, and it's pretty sturdy. You can change the angle if you need to. Okay, so depending on your vehicle, you might need to set it up or down so it can record really good in the back. Okay, we'll show you ours like that. So let's go ahead and test it now. So we have the car started now. Camera is running, guys. Okay, right here, and you can see we have reverse camera. Okay, let me focus here, and we have back a phone camera as well, reverse and phone camera at the same time. It's recording now, so it's going to loop every 3 minutes. That's what setting we have right now. You can see at 250 now. So at 3 minutes you'll start a new video, and when your memory card gets full, it's supposed to delete the first one. Okay, and later that way you'll start a new video and it will not run out of space. Now after so many minutes the display will turn off, so it doesn't bother your eyes. All that stuff could be found in the manual, guys, so you can double check all that stuff. So let's go ahead, give it a try now and see how it drives.